Back in here working on the Buell, and I'm going to be installing the one part that the bike has needed for a very long time. Here it is, the chin. I'm going to be starting on this side because looking at the instructions, it looks to be the easiest to start with. Got to unbolt the two bolt tensioner bolts, so I'm going to have to take off this cover because it's going to be in my way. And then I will have to unbolt down here, right behind the air oil filter. And apparently I'm supposed to have a spacer, which we do not have. So we'll do a time lapse.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think.
Alright, there's one side, and instead of using a shim, I'm hoping it's gonna work, but I just used an extra nut. Let's see if it'll kind of clear up right there. Nut and a washer. I think it'll be okay. And now to the other side, I'm gonna have to lean it up against the wall, because now you have to undo right here on the primary, and then the kickstand.
Back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. But now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah, we used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah, wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out.
Used to play pretend bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up, I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain. I'm a sucker for pain. I got the squad tatted on me from my neck to my ankles. The pressure from the man got us all in rebellion. We gon' go to war, yeah, without failure. Do it for the fam, dog. 10 toes down, dog. Love and the loyalty, that's what we stand for. Alienated by society. All this pressure give me anxiety. Walk slow through the fire. Like who gon' try us? Feeling the world go against us, so we put the world on our shoulders. I torture you, take my hand through the flame. I torture you, I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up, I wanna tie you down.
I've been at it with my homies, it don't matter, you don't know me. I've been rolling with my team, we the illest on the scene. I've been riding around the city with my squad.
Just got all finished with the bike. I didn't end up showing exactly everything that I did to it. If you take a look here, I had to use, see if you can see them, different screws, because when I had first got my bike, it was missing a lot of nuts and bolts and pieces, so I just put ones that fit with the nuts that were provided by Rev-Moto for the bracket. Like, I didn't really like this, but I think that's due to that spacer. I had to like leave one out, and I don't remember because I haven't had this on in a long time, but I feel like it was never this close to begin with. But there she is. Also put 2 screws there. Anyways, you can kind of see how it turned out. I'm happy it's on there though. It does look way better to have that chin. It completes the bike. That was the whole point of a Lightning, to be more stylish than, I guess, a Harley. Help kind of hide the front pipe. And that's what you're hearing, these 2 guys. That's Ralph and Randy. Kind of mean little suckers, but we took them in. There's the bike. I'm going to do a little video and then we're going to close it out. I didn't film everything like I said. Apologize, I don't have a good setup still. If anyone is actually watching these, just like comment or something, so I know that it's helping somebody or somebody at least enjoys it. Anyways, until next time.
That's what business is. Lord have mercy on the witnesses. Take my hand through the flame. I torture you. I'm just a sucker for pain. More pain, got me begging, 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 begging for more pain, got me begging.